In today's video, we'll be making a simple and classic Chinese dessert. In Mandarin, Bai Tang Gao. In Cantonese, baak tong Gao. To start the recipe, mix rice flour with water. I remember having this as a special treat when my family would go out for dim sum. It's slightly tangy from the yeasted fermentation, and it has a fun, chewy texture. Now, this is the part where I messed up on the recipe. If you're following the walks of life and their recipe, you're supposed to dissolve the sugar in a saucepan in hot water. Then add it to the flour mix. In a separate bowl, dissolve yeast into lukewarm water. Swirl around and let it bloom for 15 minutes. If you didn't and you just dumped the sugar into the flour, don't worry. Go ahead and heat up some water and pour it directly into the mixture to dissolve the sugar. Once both liquid mixtures are cool, mix them together. Now the combined mixture will ferment. Cover loosely and let it sit someplace warm for 3 hours. Steam for 20 minutes. Once 20 minutes have passed, leave the cake covered for another 2 minutes. Brush the top with vegetable oil for a nice shine. I also think it would taste nice if you brushed it with a little bit of melted coconut oil. Let the cake cool completely before cutting and serving.